Well, hello there. Seems that you've got me doing my annual maintenance on my battery electric vehicle, or BEV for short. You see, with an EV, there's little to no maintenance required. As a matter of fact, even the brake pads can last over 100,000 miles before needing to be serviced. And that's just one reason I drive an EV. I have a few more reasons if you'd like to hear about them. Oh, you would? Great. Sit down and I'll explain. Another fantastic benefit of owning an EV is simply fueling up. Before, with my gas car, I was a slave to how much gas I had in my tank. Would I have to fuel up before work, after work, or even worse, take time out of my lunch hour to go to a smelly gas station? With an EV, my fuel station is at home and on my terms. And not only that, electricity is the cheapest and most built out infrastructure we have. And all I have to do is plug in. In today's society, there are a plethora of EVs to choose from that fit anyone's budget or lifestyle. For me, the Tesla checked all the boxes. And well, I'd be lying if I didn't say that performance and fun wasn't part of that equation. Another huge benefit of going with Tesla is right now they have the most robust charging network in the United States and, well, the world. And for someone like me that likes to travel, as a matter of fact, I took this very car around the entire United States. The supercharger network makes a huge difference. Oh, I love you. What? Stop. I love you more. Now, of course, all these are great reasons to drive an EV, but I think the most important reason to drive an EV, especially if you're able to couple it with solar, it really makes me feel like I'm doing my part for a more sustainable and better tomorrow. Won't you join me?